took that long here once we swept that liquidity, and I'm holding long towards this, basically towards this liquidity here. That's my target up there. It's looking pretty decent. Hopefully I'm not going to be stopped. Hopefully, we'll see. But you never know. A lot of shorts went short into this. Immediately reversed. We took that 15-minute, kind of holding it into this level. We tried 1, 2, 3 times. This is the 4th time we're gonna go. A lot of liquidity is up there. If we can push, I wouldn't be surprised even if we pump into that level. That would not surprise me at all. We do have a fair value gap here on the 15-minute. It's pretty much here. Let me just remove this. That's your fair value gap here. 1, 2, 3. Here. That's your fair value gap up here. But I think there's a big chance we're gonna push through this. It is already 3:15. That would be a nice thing if market could sell into that. I mean, so far we hit view up once, 804. No, we didn't actually, sorry, 802, 804 is view up, so I think I will try to push this now. That's how it looks like on TradingView. We have a fair value gap, we push through this level, we're holding. Should start to pump higher. Obviously I'm thinking, should I take this? Because if we drop, I might get in one more time. You got always this kind of questions in your head. But I mean, they did sell into that level. There was a little bit of liquidity, not a lot, but a little bit. The main goal is to get there. Look at that. Basically from 12 o'clock till 3 o'clock, it's 3 hours of shorting. The only problem I have is the time. It's a 3 past 8. I mean London time. It's 3 past 3 New York time. So they still have another 10 minutes. They can fool around here. They can do many things. We can drop. We can come back. That's the problem I see. That is the problem I see. We should keep this level. Because there's a lot of trapped shorts that have been shorting this, hoping for market to drop. And they were hoping to see this, basically. It didn't happen. So they're gonna be getting out every single time we drop. They will be getting out. But because we have a lot of time, can just chop around here for a while. Everybody will get out, and then we can drop and then go again. Some kind of just thinking like, fuck it, take this 300 and wait for. Let's just take it.
Order filled.
Try to buy it one more time here. Sometimes.
Order submitted.
Sometimes this strategy works. They touch this once. How about we go down one more time? I'm actually glad I took it. It brings me to 400 on a day. We'll see. Probably it's gonna go without me. That's my luck. But if it does, it does. That's okay as well. But if we're patient, we got 9 more minutes, so that means we got for this 5-minute candle. Can just chop, and at some point they might come and try to sweep that liquidity before we push higher. So it can happen. Might not happen. We might just keep pumping, and that's it. And I'm gonna be left behind. But I took $300, so. I'm not gonna complain about it. Especially this day was just so difficult. If you watch my first video, god damn it, I've been just long here. Trying, I got chopped a couple of times here. Then finally got a trade into this London high. And I don't know, just to got break even, and then we tried a couple of times here. I think I shorted something. Eventually I had just $100. So now we're taking this trade. That brings me to 400. There you go. She's dropping. There we go. Our entry was here. Time is important. This ends here, a new one will open. Dipped in. I might actually go a little bit lower. A new candle might open. If this one will finish down here, a new one will open and it will do dip and push higher. Perhaps. Maybe. And then we can get it right into the highs. Because now everybody knows we're gonna go there. Everybody's like, yeah, we're going up there, right? The problem I have with this is that we didn't take that low, but there was not enough liquidity here. To be fair, the main liquidity was up to here. I think I even have this set on my. Oh, let's just focus on that. Well, I have this here, main liquidity. See that? It's from yesterday. So the drop, they collected it. You're gonna take me for the ride into the highs, into this level here. Are you going to take me? Ooh, tick chart, it's just dumping like crazy. Way below zero. Way below zero. I don't like that. New candle will open in right now. What's wrong with this clock? There you go. Okay, let's see if I sweep this down. Take it, and then we're gonna go up. So far, it was a good decision to get out here. You can see some buying coming in. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Order submitted.
We're in. That's our target. Stop loss. This thing has to go up now immediately. Pretty much. If it starts to fall, I'm out. So we have this trapped shorts below, and they should hold this market up. Let's go, baby. Got 4 minutes. Okay, now. Well, all that buying from the bottom, the reward is at 5,804. This is where they can sell it. This is where they can complete transaction. Today's Friday. Why is this sitting here? 1 minute and 59 seconds. One minute and 37 seconds. It should start to go up now for that 15 past liquidity sweep, which is at the top of the 5-minute candle. You know what? So I'm gonna do this. That's my risk pretty much. Very tight stop loss. It needs to go. If it's not gonna go, then we're out, and thank you very much. We're done for the day. We are done if it's not gonna go. Alright, 1 minute, 45 seconds. Here is the first target. Minor liquidity, the main liquidity is up here. This is why they dropped, to collect all of that, to collect this as well. The overnight London low. It's time to go now, to sell. It's time to go and complete the transaction. You buy cheap, you sell high. Simple as that. They bought it cheap. Technically speaking, they've been buying here and here and here. They're buying right now as well. God damn it, I will give him this 1 point, really. Okay, a 15-minute passed. the plan now. Are we going squeeze? Squeeze them shorts. What is Nasdaq doing? Yeah, Nasdaq as well is preparing for. Nasdaq took yesterday's high as well. Sorry, yesterday's low as well. ES hasn't done that, but like I said, the main liquidity was up here. There was nothing else. This, if you look at that, that's nothing here. No liquidity at all, zero. This is just a flush. So I think we're sitting on the right side of the trade. And we are getting confirmation. Let's go, baby. The reward is at 58.0475. It's waiting up there. I mean, this can even go higher. This can just push. We can just go, really. But I have only one contract, so I have to sell it. I'm not gonna. I like that 1000 delta. Yep. Tick chart above zero line now. 1200. I mean, honestly, if this is one leg, a second leg could be up there. And we do have liquidity here. They could sell as well into that. Right? We do have it. Let's have a look on volume profile. Yeah, look at that. Very fat. Very fat and juicy. If we could just push through this, though, that will be a all day shorts up here. Very fat and juicy liquidity, but we got a lot of problems on the way up. View up. We should take it with this liquidity. What Nasdaq is doing. Kind of sitting. Nasdaq already completed that. That's the problem. Nasdaq already did this in the previous push. ES hasn't done that. Yeah, we pushed here by one tick. That's not enough. We got 1, 2, 3. Triple top. Now we're gonna most likely attack. I'll attack this level. Here's a fair value gap, bearish one. But I would not short off of this thing. No, sir. No, sir. This can be like a crazy move. Panic kicks in. Everybody's like, oh shit. This is not dropping anymore. There's no way we're gonna close at the bottom. If I had 2 contracts, I close one and I hold the other one. I have only one. So what are we doing now? I think they're waiting for another 15-minute rotation. They just want to buy more. That's how I see it. So should we take that 100? Because we got 10 more minutes. That means that they will come down and sweep it one more time. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, Sorry, friend is calling. He's probably sitting in the lawn like me. Hmm. Yeah, something tells me we're gonna go down one more time. I got time for this. Let's
Order
take that.
filled.
So we just took another 100. Let's try to do this one more
Order
time.
submitted.
The thing is, like every single time we come here, more and more shorts are getting out. Yeah, we grab like $100 on this. Alright, let's see if we're gonna get one more time. We have time for that. 8 past, we got 8 minutes. That means that this candle can drop. New one open, take that, and start to go up again. The longer we stay here, the more they will buy. Right? And the more we'll have sellers as well. The moment we push through this level, we're just gonna go. There'll be a lot of liquidity here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We push it. Stop losses will be triggered. We hit this one, even more stop losses will be triggered. We're just gonna fly. Just like that. We will fly up there. You might think like, oh, really? Well, look at that. Same story. Boom. Right? Other places. They bought cheap. Boom. They bought cheap. Sold into that. It happens all the time. It happens all the time. Ooh. Pretty happy I took that 100. Can we go down here? One more time, a bit lower. Just to. There we
Order
go.
submitted.
We're in again. Hopefully this will not collapse. Hopefully they are just accumulating here. Look how many 15-minute candles we have already. That level. Yeah. Tick chart is going down. That's crazy. Crazy. There's no guarantee we're gonna go up, so I have to be careful. I have to be careful. 5 more minutes. Next candle will open. Tick chart is picking up a little bit. That delta was on this candle was minus 3,000. Well, we ended up with minus 700. That means that they bought that thing. Is this gonna be now? Oh, 57.22. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oops. Let's see. Okay, now they collected it. If they want to go up, they have the whole range. They can sell it up there into 100, 802. Hopefully. This is turtle soup, ICT turtle soup setup. When you got a range like this, price drops to collect liquidity, to collect this liquidity, then gets back in here and they're selling it up there. It's very scary to get into that because it looks like it's gonna fall. But that's why it works. I'm not saying it works all the time, but it can work. And when it works, it works. And they're gonna get a fast move back up. We trapped a lot of shorts with this drop. The delta was minus 3. What is it? Cumulative delta was minus 30,000. What the fuck is going on? Something is wrong there. But anyway, we saw delta was minus. Now it's in the green again. That means somebody collected it. A fat juicy banker was just sitting here and saying, like, you know what, buy everything. Street is out. Retail is out. One, two, three, four, five, six, half an hour of range. Tick trade about zero line. I think we're gonna squeeze now. 29 past. We have half an hour. We spend a lot of time here. We have spent a lot of time here. That means we got a lot of liquidity. And that means that we might go higher than I was thinking. I was thinking here, but just think about it for a second. What if? That's one leg. That's your second leg. Right? Why not? Yeah. Why not? Okay, 30. Let's see if they're gonna go now. That is nice. all we want to see. Back into the range. Problem is only Nasdaq is just sitting here. The cumulative delta is basically the delta for the whole day, I guess. Yeah. I think they changed something in this MZ park. It wasn't like this. That delta was minus 178. This one was minus 740. That's correct. 178, and then we ended up with 796 on a positive rate, and then here we had minus 202, and now we just, as you can see, now we're minus 400, 100. We'll see what they're gonna do with that. Tough trade. Very tough. I might wait like till the last minute, honestly. You've seen it many times. They might just push this into the close at the last minute. Yeah. It might be a long hold. Our entry is decent at the lower part of the range. We didn't chase it. Nobody says we have to hold it. We might just sell it up here one more time and that's it. Call it a day. Turn off this Ninja Trader. Walk away. Go for a little walk. Come back after 9 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's just trying, but it doesn't have enough conviction to go higher at this point. You can see it. Might try, yeah, exactly. Take this 5 minutes and stay in there. They're probably gonna stay in here. Yeah. There you go. Somebody stepped in and sold into that. I'm gonna sell as well.
Order filled.
Another 100. You know what, guys? They might just fool around for another 25 minutes, and we might get a final push into the close in the last minute. That means that we can still drop lower. They can do crazy shit. The problem is the last half an hour. It's very unpredictable. Very whippy. Very, very whippy. I managed to steal a couple of times. I robbed them here. I robbed them here. And I robbed them one more time here. Altogether we took... I was on a day today at $100 really. We made money here in this range. $500. That's pretty nice. unless I switch into my MNQ, MES, and just go really small and just give space for wiggle room, because anything can happen here. There's no guarantee we're gonna push here today. They might play it to the downside and take yesterday's low and come back on Monday and sell into that on Monday, right? They might do that. You might think like, oh really? Of course. You got example of that somewhere here. Many times happens like that. You think, oh, they're gonna push into level. And they will, but not today. And because I'm trading with Apex, I have to close everything. Everything. Before the end of the day. I don't like my reasoning for, like, you know what, I'm gonna grab this. Look at that. Look at TikTok. Look what they're doing. It's just every little pop they're selling. Pop selling. Look at that. Nvidia, Apple. Kind of any pop they're selling. I'm not saying we might go, right? But I just don't want to. I just don't want to wait another half an hour into last minute. That's just not how I trade. It's very, very volatile. The last 15 minutes of the day, the last 5 minutes, just crazy. Just thinking, just basically go down and up. 10 points down, 20 points up in minutes, in seconds. So we can watch it. They should sell into that, but they're taking a lot of time. Yeah, we might push into the close. Or at least here. At least here. It's your fair value gap here. You can still drop into that second time. There's no reason why we wouldn't do it. By the way, I use a tool, an indicator that shows me fair value gaps on 5 minutes, on 15 minutes. You might go and check that fair value gap. Nephew Sam. Pretty good. Very nice. Macro, like from what indicators I use this one, macro tracker. It tells me basically when the macro starts. These macros are pretty good. 950, 10, 1050, 11, 10. These are good macros. And very often you get nice moves on that. I don't trade these macros. What's that? This is my volume profile, right? No. Top right. That's volume profile. View up. Session open. It just shows me when we open. The all day just shows me buying, selling pressure. But look at that. See that? It's like if I was holding I was long here. The initial one was from here. If I was holding that, I would be stopped. Be so frustrated. You have to take it. You have to take the money, you know. I have made more money on those free put little pushes than I would have made on one push up there, if it happened, but it doesn't happen. It might happen. I'm not saying it won't, but so far, look at that. You can get in one more time if you want for the value gap, but I think I'm gonna skip it. I will skip it because of the time. I don't like to trade this time, but that's a pretty good entry somewhere here. 50% of the gap, or anything above 50%. Any entry in this area, that's great for long. That was on 15 minutes, this is on 5 minutes. You see, there's a difference. So you could just get in here. We need to take this 15-minute. We haven't taken it yet. They will collect that. We'll have some stops here. Pop in, drop into this fair value gap. And who knows? We might start to go up again. Yeah. Do you want to switch to MES and just go like with one contract? See how it is? See how that is? MES. Flowbots. Replicant. MES December. $36. Yeah. Just switch this so I can see my levels. I'm not gonna see anything. MES. So we do have a fair value up here, right? There you go. Taking the 15, tapping into that. $45. That means that there is another candle here. This is new candle, right? Don't know. 430, 45. Yeah, should go and grab that as well. Just do the job. Just do the job. Here's the level. we're gonna go one MES contract here.
Order submitted.
Oh, okay, MES, fine. Top in there. Take the stops. Am I too greedy? No, I'm not greedy. Because there's a difference between MES and ES. Always. Wow. Can you get down there? Looks like I missed it by fiddling with that entry. That's the beauty of this kind of entry, you know, with the limit. It tags it in. You know, you're not chasing
Order
it.
submitted.
There you go. You know, you're not chasing it. You just basically. There you go. So we're in. Look at that. Look at this entry, mate. Perfection. I mean, I'm not gonna judge the day before the sunset. Because we can still fucking collapse down there. But so far, very nice. We collected that, this, and that. Fair value gap, very bullish. A lot of longs here. They just gave what they collected here. And now, that's what happens, you know, it's like a psychology. You see this beautiful move, you're like fucking jumping on that thing, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy. And then you think it's gonna go there. 50 minutes later, you've been stopped. Right? And you're like, oh shit. If you add into this, hoping for a push, like the turtle sop I was talking about, yeah, it did work, but only to some extent. They decided to pull it one more time. So we are sitting in this fair value gap, bullish one. The stop loss needs to be below that low. That's how ICT teaches you. Like one tick below. That means that, you know, this fair value didn't keep, and it, you know, just has been invalidated. 49. Well, we got this crazy algo at 50. Now it's 50. How about we start to go up? It's time now. If they want to sell it up here, that's the time to do it. Not so happy about my entry. Ooh, look at that. See that? See this thing? If I had that a little bit higher, I'll be out. Immediately out. Now, the ride begins. Let's watch that. last 9 minutes. Okay. Nice. I mean, at this point, you can't allow this to go against you, because we have been already like 4 points up. So, 1,000 delta, lovely. That's a proper number. That's what we want to see. And we still have 3 minutes. Yeah. Watch your levels. Here's your target. First target. Yeah, I think this switching to MES is a good idea. Maybe I should have gone 2 or 3 would be better, but it's alright. If you get a little bit of pullback, I will add. I might add here.
Order submitted.
Pullback. That will bring me an average price here. Yeah, come on. Can you get down there? Yeah. Come on. Take.
Order submitted.
Attaboy. Let's see. Delta 1,600. Very nice. This should take us somewhere. Should take us places. Honestly, I'm looking 801, 802 would be the. Okay. Oh shit, really? That's not something you want to see. Yeah, stop loss needs to be below. There's no other way. Five more minutes. Tempted to add, to be honest. But it's okay. I'll keep it. Try to get out 804. It's 10 points. It's gonna be $100, right? Something like that. I'm gonna
Order
add one
submitted.
the last 4 minutes. Like I said, they will be waiting till the end of the day. That's why it was good to get out and grab this hundreds, you know, 100 and 100 and 100 and 200. Because we might take a loss now. Yeah, I think that's pretty much because time is running out. That's what we have to be conservative with the target. Look what they do. Pulling it lower. Let's just have a look on 1 minute what's happening here. Okay, some kind of bull flag. Two more minutes. Here's our 15 minutes. Here's another 15 minutes. I'm gonna sell it just in front of everybody else. Right? What's interesting? This is very interesting. See if I moved it. Okay. Yeah. One minute. Are they going to push into 800? 804. They might even push up here. They should push up there. They want to sell. Look at that. Look at that. Why are you going to grab my stop loss? Jesus. Now I'm happy I just took MES. I'll be shitting myself here right now. Was this like 11 seconds to close? Look at that. We didn't go anywhere. We took that bottom now. God damn it. That's why I don't like the close. It's just too volatile. I think I'm gonna have to take this loss. Okay, they took the 15-minute now. Okay. How about we go up now?
Order submitted.
Very risky trade. God damn it. But I thinking that they just collected everything now. They got like 15 minutes, right? After close, they have 15 minutes. Yeah, they did collect it now a lot. One hour of trading in the range up there. Let's see. They will sell it. Let's see if they're gonna sell it. Mm-mm. 15 seconds on this candle. The new one will open. We'll see what they're gonna do with it. Are we gonna come back up here? Is this gonna be the bottom of the drop? We'll come back. We're gonna get a continuation. Just put a little bit. Should get a little bit of resistance. I mean, support here, like trapped shorts. They're getting out here. Should get some kind of. That's also a fair value gap here. If you look at that, see this? So, yeah. I don't know. It's good reverse now. God, I'm so glad I just went for MES. I'm just checking if I'm actually trading MES, and yes I am. That's what it is. You know, you're holding, you're thinking, oh yeah, they're gonna push into this level. It's just such an obvious level. They're gonna sell into it. And They are not. They polish you down. They might sell it on Monday. They might sell it at the end of, in, what is it, 10 minutes? 9-10 minutes. Yeah, but think about trading MES. It's just basically you give a lot of wiggle room for your trade, but you have to do it when you trade the end. At the end of the day, because if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, if it drops lower, look at this range. 98, 5 points up, 5 points down. It's like 10 points range. You can afford with such a small position to have more wiggle room at the end of the day. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna. I'll just wait till we get maybe here, and I'll cut the trade. Yeah. Because I'm running out of time, right? Got 8 more minutes. Let me check. So I don't really trade this. So got some buyers, 8-9 contracts. 6 more minutes and we'll know. Obviously, I can't afford to go lower than this. That's pretty much it. Five more minutes. Yeah, that's the situation you don't want to be when you're trading ES. MES is fine. It's not a big deal. I can cut this at any point and close the day with 500. Profit of 500 through 3 accounts. Well, almost 500 on one. Celeste is 490. That's why I switched to MES. Can't remember if it's 15 or half an hour. No, 4:15 or 4:30. Can't remember what time they close on Friday. Yeah, you hold this over the weekend, and who knows, you know. They bought this, they bought that. They got levels to sell up here. Who knows? Boom. Yeah, this intro was alright. I just got greedy. Was it 93 to 98? I think we took a 15-minute with this push. Let me just check. Yeah, we did take this one. So we took this one. No, sorry. I'm wrong. It was this one here. We didn't. That's why I was holding. Because I wanted to see a push into that 15-minute candle. Oh, we never got that. I don't know if it's 15 past or half an hour. But I would just keep it. This is a valuation account, so it doesn't matter, I guess. Twenty-six, 25 seconds. Nah, fuck it, close it. On the last second. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Order filled.
Let's see if it's still running after 15 hours done. $500. Still running. Okay. We can get back in then. What was that for, right? Oh, they closed it already. Let me just switch. Let's see that. Okay, you know what? Let's leave it. 500. Pretty happy with that. See you on Monday.